Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning into the lesson on algebraic quadrilaterals, day 2. Okay, so there's a couple of things that we didn't go over day 1, and so I just want to have the opportunity to have another lesson. So first thing we're going to look at is the median of a triangle. So let's look at the vocabulary of what the median is. There it is. All right. Median. It's a line segment that connects the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of a trapezoid. The length of the median is really the average of the length of the two bases. So if we look at this trapezoid here, we have bases of 20 and 30. You add them together, divide by 2. So that's the length of the median of a trapezoid. Just the average of the bases. The area of a rhombus is base times height, because a rhombus looks like a parallelogram, right? Or it's 1/2 the product of the diagonals. Okay, so the diagonals go from corner to corner. If you know the lengths of the diagonals, you multiply them and divide by 2. So there's 2 ways to find the area of the rhombus. The mid-segment of a triangle. Mid-segment connects a pair of midpoints. It's equal to 1/2 the length of the side that it is across from. So if I look at this triangle, we have a midpoint here, a midpoint on the other side. When I join the midpoints, that's a mid-segment. And if the base of that triangle is 18, the mid-segment will be half that. So one of the questions you need to think about is, how many mid-segments can I have in a triangle? We'll talk about that in class. One last thing I wanted to clear up is labeling quadrilaterals. All right. I've talked about it. I've shown you different the ways I label them. So one way to label them is you start at one vertex and you go clockwise around in order. Another way is to start at a vertex and go counterclockwise around. A way that's not the way to label the quadrilateral is the letters across from each other. Okay? A is not across from B, C is not across from D. The letters go in a circular pattern in either direction. Okay? So this lesson was short and sweet, and I'll see everyone in class.